back to my channel. Today is going to be a crafty Destash video, so it's open to everyone who is over 18, who lives in the UK and is willing to pay by PayPal, friends and family. If there's anything that you would like, I'm going to ask you to email me. My email will be in the description box below. I will measure and weigh everything, and then I will send you the postage cost and the total of the things that you've asked for. So just bear in mind when I'm going through this, I have to add postage, so it will be whatever is Royal Mail, and then based on the size. Okay, so this first bundle is, I'm calling it the vintage bundle. It's got two doily dies. One's a heart-shaped doily, and there's this big one and then a small one. So there's actually three in there, I think. You get these vintage stamps and these, and then a My Mind's Eye one. I love that, it's really retro. Another My Mind's Eye, and this one's Making Memories, and that will be £10. Oh, and I'll add in this mini doily die to that one as well. I have these two art impression stamps, and they will be £10 for the both of them. They're quite expensive and I don't think I've used them, they're still brand new. Then I have these two Lily of the Valley stamps, so they're both birthday themed. So I got this cute girl with a cupcake and a bunny holding a balloon, and those will be £5. I have this Ornate Spellbinders Die. It makes a nice tag and it's great for using with wedding cards, and I'm asking £4 for that one. I have some stencils. These are great for journaling instead of having to buy lots of stickers. So there's this Gothic Script. This one's also sort of gothic-y, but this one's a bit more open so you can doodle in the letters. Then I've got this big one and a small one, and I'm asking for £1 for those plus postage. I'm going to forget to say plus postage on everything, so please just assume that it's all plus postage. Next I have some Gorgeous Girl mini stamps. So there's this one, these two, these two, these two, these two, those two, these two, and lastly those two. And I'm asking £10 for all of those. Then I've got two more Gorgeous Girl bundles. And these were before Do Crafts owned them, so these are made by Simply Gorgeous. I don't think you can buy these anymore. So if you are a collector, you might like these. So we have this one, and these are in the clear stamps. This one, she used to be one of my favourites. This one's been used a bit, but it still works fine. And this one, and I'm asking £5 for those. Then I have some cling stamps. That one makes a nice Christmas card, as does this one. And this one. These ones are a bit more expensive, so I'm asking £5 for these three. Next is some shape dies. So I have these two unicorns, those are £1. Some bats, those go together. And then I'm asking £1 for this playing card. So that's £1, and that's £1. Okay, and then next I have a bundle of Spellbinders Dies. These are great basic shapes, so I have squares, I have rectangles and the matting scallops that go with it. The same with the ovals and the circles. Sorry, I've got brain fog, so I'm still struggling to find words. Then I have some wood stamps, so I'm asking £4 for these two, the penny black cat, so one Christmas, one beach. I've got some more penny black stamps. These are my absolute favourite, so I'm going to cry when these get posted, but yeah, some cute animals. This is a great hen party stamp for an invite, so I did my best friend's wedding hen party with that and she loved it. And then these cute little hedgehogs, they're just adorable. They have been used, but I'm asking £4 for these two. And then I've got these Forever Friend ones. They've also been used, but they still look in fairly good condition. I've got a bit of ink on the block, but yeah, these ones I'm asking for £3. They came in a limited edition like set with all the papers and stuff, so I don't think you can buy those either. I've got a couple of stencils, this dot pattern and the link pattern. They're free to anyone who's already buying something else, so first person to ask can have those. I have a set of cross stamps, and I have these other mini stamps, and those are £1 together. I have this set of sentiment stamps, so I've got some vintage ones. The packaging looks a bit yellow on this one, but the stamps look fine. These ones are brand new, I've never used them. They're hilarious. And this one's also brand new. This one cost me like £15 on its own, but I've not used it. So that bundle there is going to be £5. Oops, just had a stamp avalanche. Next is the Christmas bundle, so this is Simon Says Stamp Tree and Merry Christmas. Then there is some sentiments, Merry Christmas ones from Clearly Besotted, and then a visible image, Smile, Sparkle, Shine. That doesn't have to be Christmas, but that whole bundle is £5. I have two more Lily of the Valley stamps. There's this James, I think it's James, I don't know, he's called Christmas Dog. He looks like James to me. But yeah, he's a dog with a cracker and a little Christmas hat. He's really cute. And then this is the one that I watercoloured on my channel, I think a couple of years ago. So if you want a tutorial on how to colour it, go ahead and check that out. But these two together are £4. I have a feeling that Lily of the Valley have stopped making their physical stamps. I'm not sure though. So then next I've got these sentiment stamps. So there's a couple from Hobbycraft that are funny. And then just a generic birthday set. I love this one, I got it in America. And same with this one, this is thanks and gratitude, etc. And those I'm asking £3 for. I have this set of Spellbinders, that is £4. And then I've got Labels 11, that's also £4. Labels 4, also £4. Labels 5, that's also £4. Or if you want all of them, you can have them for £12. Next I have this Tim Holtz die set. It has all of these letters, so upper and lowercase and numbers. It's a huge set. It's on magnetic boards in here. And I think it cost me like £25 to buy it, so I'm going to sell this for 15 because it's brand new. Okay, next I have this tape runner. I love this. I just struggle with my hand now, so it's a bit too big for me to hold, but I used to love this thing. It's got an almost new cartridge in it. I've used it like twice, so it's nearly full plus this extra cartridge, and I'm asking £10 for that. Then I've got this stamp set from Hero Arts. It's just birds and butterflies. That's £1. Then I've got an American's Craft one. This makes really cute thank you cards. I like this one. I've had it a long time. And that's £1. And then I've got a Jane Davenport Faces one. I'm trying to keep the glare off. But yeah, you get the face with the eyebrows, and then you can choose the lips and the eyes and the noses. So that would be really cute for art journaling if you're not into drawing. But I draw, so I don't need this. So that's £1 as well. Okay, I'm running out of space on my desk. Nearly finished, guys. Next I have some distress markers. There's about 36 or 38 in here. These ones all work great, just as they should. You can put them on your stamps and use them to ink up stamps in different colours, which is cute if you're doing like florals and stuff. You can use them as drawing markers. You can scribble them on a glass mat or a silicone mat and use them as watercolour. Their colours are a bit they're different from the inks slightly, but they're not so dissimilar that they wouldn't go with each other. I just noticed they don't quite match. Anyway, so I have these 36 plus I have the rest of the collection, but these ones are slightly dried out, so I will give these away for free with the ones with whoever buys these ones, because you can still test out the colours and see if you like them, to see if you want to replace them and make the rest of the collection up. Also, there is some ink in them, they're just not good enough to use as markers, they're a bit dry, so, but you can still scribble them and use them as a watercolour if you wanted to. Especially if you're only doing a small stamped image, it should be fine. So yeah, I'm only charging you for the ones that actually work, just to be clear. And I'm asking £30 for these, so that's less than £1 a marker, and new these are £3-ish roughly, so that's a bargain. And then last but not least, well, of the Crafty Destash, is these are Teza Pens. This is the 96 set. I'm asking £40 for these because I've only used them twice, I think, and I only pretty much use the greys. And yeah, these are real brush markers, so they have a brush nib on them. They're very flexible. You can use them to watercolour with. Yeah, they're nice pens. I just don't use them because I prefer to use actual watercolours. So I figured I'd let someone else have a bargain. So new, these cost £62.99 on Amazon, so I thought £40 was a fair price, seeing as they're pretty much new. I won't be shipping them in this case because it's going to be too heavy, so I'll just ship you the pens. I don't have the original packaging, unfortunately. The packaging was cheap and it broke, so I just got rid of that. But yeah, if you would like these pens, those are £40. I'm guessing these are going to be heavy to ship, so it's definitely going to be a parcel. And then lastly, I've got a few bits that I've made that I wondered if anyone would like. They're going to be £1 each. I usually sell them for like £4 at a craft fair, but I'm not doing any craft fairs because of COVID, so they're all like fabric flowers and they have a brooch on the back. So I'm just going to say £1 each if you would like any of these. So there's a purple one, that's a smaller one. And then a bigger purple one. Again, they've all got brooch backs on them, but you can take the brooch back off and use them in your pages if you want. Here's a large poppy. And the small poppy. And then the red one with the Diamante gem. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, it's really pretty. and then one with a cream gem in the middle. Little mini one, that one's cute. So those are £1 each if you would like them. Okay, I think that's all of the crafty things that I have for today to destash, but I might have more as I come up to moving again. So yeah, if you are interested in further destashes or checking out some of my other videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure it's on all, because you'll miss any more bargains that come. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!